What's up guys, Trains here. Sorry about the late start. We're here at Bramley Station level crossing in Hampshire. Down. Made that alarm a bit louder again. Okay, time is now 16:19 on Thursday the 6th of October 2016 and we're down for our 16:24, 16:23 1 Echo 60 cross-country service from Southampton Central to Newcastle, and also down for our 16:23 2 Juliet 47 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Basingstoke. See down there as well. You see don't know, I won't focus on it. I've just got an intro uploading as well. I've just done the intro. I did it on my phone, 60 frames a second, 1080p. Also notice as well the 16:23 to Newcastle is on 16:23 is running 1 minute late, but then also the 16:23 Reading to Basingstoke is running about 1 early. Right. Filming for a YouTube channel.
Pardon?
Filming for a YouTube channel.
Okay.
Yes, I know, I'm a boring person.
I've got a friend who's a train spotter, so...
Yeah. You can't get rid of us.
Never judge.
But you can't get rid of us. One of the locals though, this is one of my local crossings, so I try and film it fairly often. It's 2 a day cross-country train coming through. That'll be coming through about 100 this way, coming from down there. First, you should be getting a Great Western train coming from down there.
You always love trains.
Yeah. I only started a YouTube channel only about a year ago. But, there you go. Well, there we go. We've got 166210. Name on the for GWR livery. There we go. 166210 and well, up we go. It's about to go back down again, so I'll clear it quickly. Mike Brayford on this. Thanks guys.